Hello guys, it's Dafreepsy, leader of the Duff Clan, and today I have a really sad news for you because the Duff Clan is going to, what should we say, stop YouTubing. Uh, well, we're gonna play together as a clan and when we're playing Call of Duty and all that, but we're not gonna do YouTube anymore. It's mostly because in the beginning, it was really funny to do the videos, like just yeah, you should do a video and all that. But no, it's just like a waste of time kind of thing. Because the only thing we actually, I mean, like it's really great when someone writes good job or something. But actually, the only thing that's actually in the comments are just two people discussing who got the first comment. It's actually just kind of annoying because it shows us that they're not really caring about the video. Um, and that's why we don't really feel that we get anything back from making the videos. And we want to stop YouTubing now, and we might go back to it, but not. It's not gonna happen in the next few days, or next few months, I think. But I mean, like, that's just how it's gonna be, and we're gonna focus on the game bell side, the competitive side of gaming, and we're gonna go really hard on that. I'm still gonna be on the YouTube page, the Duff Clan, which means if you message us something, then I will still be able to answer it, and I'll be happy to answer it. But that's how it's going now. And I know there's some of you that out there that likes our videos and watches them and all that. But it's just the majority is not even caring about a video when they watch it, I mean, like when it's in the sub box or anything. Uh, and that's what's gonna happen. But yes, as said, you can message me if you have any questions or something. You can also still add me at on PSN or something because we're still recruiting people to the clan because we're doing game battles. So if you'd like to do game battles with us and kind of get more into the competitive side of gaming, which is really fun, then then message me on YouTube or PSN, and then we can talk together. Um, oh, sorry, that's my dog in the background. But yes, that's how it's gonna go now. See you all later, hopefully.